How to copy and paste a picture in Canva. This tutorial shows you a few different ways to duplicate an image within your design. First, open your design in Canva. From there, click on the image you want to copy. After that, right-click on it. At this point, click Copy from the menu that appears. Following this, right-click on an empty area of your canvas. From here, click Paste. At this stage, if you'd rather use a keyboard shortcut instead, press Ctrl and C to copy, then Ctrl and V to paste. There's also a quicker way to duplicate an image without touching a menu at all. Following this, click on the image to select it. From here, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, depending on your setup, then click and drag the image with your mouse. Dragging while holding that key creates an instant duplicate right where you drop it, rather than needing to copy and paste separately. That's how you copy and paste a picture in Canva. If this helped, drop a like,
Subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!